Harry used to work here.
Morning, Anna.
Good morning.
Now, Harry heads down the hall with his toolkit and half a lifetime of memories.
Good morning.
Up and down 6 floors of the big New Orleans law firm, one of Harry's old stops on the road.
You're like the Maytag repairman. Lovable, but a little lonely.
Yeah, well, I used to be busy every day, and it's a different world now.
Harry Ballard is back for one final visit.
There it is.
With no work to do,
These were the tools of our trade.
he's a tour guide to the past
Screwdrivers, spring hooks,
as Louisiana's last
oil,
traveling typewriter repairman.
some typewriter parts. You were in and out of all different walks of life, from those who worked in the delivery rooms to the funeral homes.
Your fingers touched the typewriters that touched a lot of lives.
As computers push out typewriters,
There's something about the sound
Harry opens his heart.
with each keystroke that's kind of hypnotic.
Harry also opens his garage as a last chance for machines really ready for the museum.
This is a mechanical monster. There's a lot going on inside of this typewriter.
What is your prognosis on this patient?
For this particular typewriter, it's got a lot of good years left in it. It's had a good life up to this point.
Harry buys them beat up and abandoned on eBay.
It's just something about typewriters.
You have a relationship with a typewriter.
Right, that sounds right.
His repair shop relationships all result in divorce. After he fixes them, he sells them. In a good year, he sells maybe one.
It's a connection to that past.
You can't really warm up to a computer keyboard the way you can to a typewriter keyboard.
It's magic.
So here it is.
Back at the law firm, Harry discovers hope. In a quiet corner, an escapee from the junkyard. Harry has a job, after all. Rescued from retirement. One typewriter, one man. No longer even in the neighborhood of the end.